Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the New Jersey hub, where the Star Sports Us Knights clashed swords with the RRANJ Astros in a gripping under-11 battle, etching a tale of young gladiators on the cricketing canvas.
In this cauldron of burgeoning talent, every run, wicket, and heart-stopping moment added a vivid stroke to the portrait of a match that will linger in memories.
The Astros, by virtue of winning the toss, set the stage. Amidst the palpable excitement, it was a narrative of ebbs and flows, where youth met the challenge head-on.
A classic low-scoring thriller, crafted by crucial decisions at the crease and on the field. The plot thickened with every ball, illustrating just how unpredictable cricket can be.
The Knights, wielding the willow first, struggled to build their fortress, except for the brave stand by Shubh Sahu, whose blade carved the team's highest score.
Wade Bhattacharya, with his magical armory of deliveries, dismantled the opposition's framework, leaving the Knights to muster an embattled total, bolstered by generous extras.
The Astros, in pursuit, encountered their own set of trials. Sudarshan Venkatesh's gritty innings anchored the chase, despite the Knights' spirited defense led by Vihan Pupalla.
The pressure was palpable as wickets fell, but the Astros' resilience shone through. Anand Patel's economical spell gave the Knights hope, yet extras again tipped the scales.
Wade Bhattacharya emerged a hero, his bowling figures reading like a warrior's badge of honor. But it was Sudarshan Venkatesh's stoic presence that steadied the Astros ship.
Invoking the Spartans, both Wade and Sudarshan held their ground when it mattered most, their performances embodying the spirit and fight that is the hallmark of champions.
In the end, the RRANJ Astros clinched victory by a slender margin of 4 wickets. The Knights fought valiantly but were undone by the extras they conceded.
A triumph that whispered tales of future cricketing legends. For the Astros, it was elation. For the Knights, a lesson learned in the school of hard knocks. Like a scene from The Sandlot, these young athletes delivered a performance that transcended the boundary ropes, teaching us the essence of passion and determination.
In the afterglow of this duel, we anticipate the ripples it shall make in their cricketing odyssey. Wade Bhattacharya's spell remains etched, a narrative for the ages.